That's it.
It's a short word. This morning we had 9 people at Minyan, and you know how we felt, oh, just one short and everything like that. At 8:30, somebody walked into Shul from our Minyan, thinking, of course, that the Minyan was at 8:30. Said, oh, I should have checked. Now, if you ask me, I'm not going to tell you who it is, and anybody who knows who it is, you're not allowed to say who it is, because it doesn't really matter. I was saying this to someone, and the person said, well, it was written that we shouldn't have a minyan. And that's why we didn't have a minyan. So I said, no, I disagree. Remember yesterday, those of you who were at the Memorial Day commemoration, I quoted from Unasana Tokef, the prayer that we say right before Musaf when the Ark is open. And it says there that on Rosh Hashanah, on Yom Kippur, the great book is opened. And everything's written in the book. And God, what does he do? He writes, and it's sealed and everything like that. The only thing is, what it says there is V'chosam yad kol adam bo. Everyone's signature is in it. So what does it mean, everyone's signature is in it? The signature means, what did we do during the past year? All of the things that we did, that's what's written down in the book. So who writes the book? We write the book. What does God do? He takes a look at it and he says, oh, okay, let's see what's written over here. I was in Israel. There was a person who wrote a particular very, very good sefer, very, very good book, and he gives a class, and the class studies the book. So somebody asks him a question in the middle of the class. So he takes off his glasses like this, and he starts looking, and he says, let's see what he says. And it hit me when he said, let's see what he says. Of course, he is the one who wrote the book. So the book is written by us. There's an interesting Mishnah in Pirkei Avos, and it says, this is towards the end of Pirkei Avos, this is in chapter number 4, Mishnah number 25, Elisha ben Avuya Omer. Elisha the son of Avuya said, Halomed Yaled, Lamahu Doma. If somebody learns when he's young, what is it like? Lidyo ksuv al niar chadash. It's like writing with ink on new parchment. Halomed Zakan, and if somebody learns when he is a Zaken, when he is older, Lamahu Doma, what's he like? Lidyo, to ink, ksuv al niar mochuk, which is written on blotted paper, on blotted parchment. Because why? There's been a lot written on that parchment till I got to this point when I'm starting to write things. And we know the things that we learned, that we heard when we were young, we often remember those very, very well. You know, I remember what I wore to my bar mitzvah, which was like 4 or 5 years ago, but I don't remember what I had for lunch yesterday. Those types of things. In other words, there's a lot of stuff there. But the thing that remains is that a person always has the opportunity to write. And then we should all, of course, write down good things. Okay.